You want to show everyone your new necklace? This is my new necklace. So amber, and it's supposed to help babies for teething and to calm down, apparently. So Kaya's been wearing it for the past 2 days. She's still not very calm. Oh, wow, Kaya. I don't know who's more scared, me or her. Look at the fish. We can walk. Look. Oh my goodness. Good. Come on. Look, Mama's walking. All right, so this is the new zone where they let us touch the starfish. Oh, Kaya, look. Love, love. Love, love. Do you want to touch? Sawadeeทุกคน welcome back to our channel today because we are going to hit up sea life at Siam Paragon. You got that, Kaya? Sea life. Fishies. We're gonna go see fishies. We're gonna see sharks. We're gonna see turtles. You wanna see turtle? Oh, she wants to see turtles. So we're gonna go check out sea life today. Kaya's been there before, but we haven't really explored it that much. And I think I'm more excited than Kaya is. So let's get going! You want to show everyone your new necklace? This is my new necklace. So Kaya has a new necklace made out of, what is it made out of? Amber, shema? Amber, and it's supposed to help babies for teething and to calm down, apparently. So Kaya's been wearing it for the past 2 days. She's still not very calm, so I'm still waiting. But let's see if this works. A lot of people say this works, so this is why she's wearing this necklace. Can you say thank you? Say thank you? Thanks, good girl. More? More? Okay, more.
I wonder what sounds
Alright, we're here at Sea Life. We came at 10 o'clock in the morning. Kaya's already ready to go. I would definitely say coming at 10 o'clock in the morning is pretty good because there's just not as many people. And on a weekday in the morning, that's the trick. Otherwise it's like crazy because this place is so popular. All right, Kaya, let's go. Kaya. I don't know who's more scared, me or her. Is this safe?
It's safe.
Wow, Kaya, look at that. Look at the fish. Should we take a step? We can walk. Look. Oh my goodness. Good. Come on. Look, Mama's walking. Yes. Okay, look. Look at Mama. Hey, look at Mama. Okay. Wow. Where's the sky? Where's the sky? Okay, let's keep moving. Let's go over there.
Come here.
Come, Mama's here. Oh, wow. Look at those eels. Say hi, eel. Hello. hello eel. She's like, I'm out of here. It's a lot of work. For any of you mothers out there that have any tips about the terrible twos and any of your experiences or toddler tantrums, please comment below. I would love to hear your stories because we're currently going through that with Kaya. To be zen and peaceful. We're here to see, we're gonna do penguin feeding, we're gonna do seahorse feeding, and I'm really excited to go see the sharks as well and to go through like the whole underwater cave with Kaya. We've been here before, but Kaya was a lot younger, so I don't think she really understood what was going on. So I think now, this time, she's really taking it in and she's really seeing stuff. She knows fish are fish right now. So sea life is the good life for her right now. All right, so this is the new zone where they let us touch the starfish. So it's like Kaya's really into starfish. I'm not sure if she'll touch it, but we can try. Kaya, look. Do you want to touch the starfish? Yeah. Kaya, look.
Wanna try?
Mommy will touch it. Oh, Kaya, look. Love. Do you want to touch? You're fine. You're fine. Totally okay. But nothing happened. La. All right, so we're about to go feed the seahorses. It's 11 a.m. So they have a lot of activities here. We're gonna feed some seahorses. We're gonna feed some penguins. I think they also have a boat ride where you can see small sharks and stuff. There's plenty of stuff to do, but you can find all this information on the website. They have all the timings there. They've got early timings and later timings too. So it's not just one time. There's plenty of different times. So I've also never fed any seahorses, so this is the first time for me too. I think I'm more excited than my daughter. All right, so we tried to go on the boat ride, but unfortunately little Kaya here is underage. So to get on the boat, you have to be 3 years old and above. So I guess that's something else we can look forward to the next time we come here. The goal is to get on the boat here at Sea Life. 3 years and above, Kaya. We've got another year and a bit. Still some time to go. Wow, look at that though. So cool. So now we're gonna wait for the penguin feeding. Kaya's a little bit tokjai. She's like, are those, what's in the water? There are divers in the water, Kaya. Oh, look.
สวัสดีครับวันนี้ประชาสัมพันธ์ให้ทราบอีกหนึ่งครั้งนะครับในเวลา11:15 นาทีนะครับทางสารกรุงเทพจะมีการให้อาหารนะครับเป็นควีนนะครับผมสายพันธุ์แอฟริกันหรือว่าสายพันธุ์แจ็คแอสนะครับที่ผู้จัดแสดงของเป็นควีนที่ตรงนี้เลยนะครับท่านใดที่สนใจนะครับก็สามารถเข้าหาที่นั่งได้เลยนะครับในระหว่างนี้นะครับผมขอความร่วมมือนะครับไม่นั่งหรือว่ายืนอยู่ที่บริเวณ
Look here first. Look at that. Look at all the fish. Kaya, look at all the fish. Do you have like diving in here? Dai Like adults can do it? จริงล่ะ Anybody can do it? In the future, I want to do that with my husband. All right, okay, let's keep moving. Terrible twos are on the way. Keep moving. Kaya, look at this. Look in the sky. So this is my favorite part of sea life, is the tunnel. Wow, look at the shark, Kaya. Look at the shark. Look at the shark. Wow. All right, you want to keep walking? Let's keep walking. Alright guys, we came to the end of Sea Life right now. It's right in the middle of Siam Paragon, so we're in the middle of the city. It is so much fun for kids. Kaya is loving it. She's running all over the place. I can't even keep her in one place in one time, but this was such a different experience from the last time we came here. So thank you Sea Life for having us today. Kaya had so much fun. We are great fans of Sea Life. We've been here so many times. Every time is different. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that if you have kids that you would definitely take the time to come over here and see what they're all about. See you guys! I gotta bring Kaya home now for her lunch and her nap. She hasn't napped yet, which is why she's not here. Terrible Twos is coming your way. Thanks for subscribing. See you guys soon. Bye. Cool. Move it! Hey! Hey!